Hello and welcome to Portugal. There's going to be a waterfall behind us, but it's sort of disappeared. But that's the first part of our trip done. Sort of pretty cool place. It really gets you, it really fools you, because you think there's going to be a waterfall because you can hear water, but it's actually all these, everything blowing in the wind. Fools you. Do you recognise that place behind me? Well, if you've watched my channel before, you'll notice a video that I did saying, what do you believe in? Back in July, and I was here back in July. I was working here though that time, but now I'm here, and basically something didn't go to plan on the trip as trips normally do. So we thought we'd take a little stop off here. There's a lovely little, it's like a sort of eco Airbnb we're staying at tonight. And then we're going to continue on our journey as planned later on. But you know, it's nice to just stop off in places you've been before and see how it's changed and pay your respects. And it was here before, Lule, I was, and now we just thought, oh, we're passing through. It's got the car from near here, so let's just go do that. Freezing cold. Top of the morning to you. What's that? So, day 2 in Portugal, and we're going up Rocha De Pena, which is this big mountain behind me. An epic view. Look at this! Just made it to the top and it's got this epic view. Ooh, bit out of breath though. Whoa. If you keep walking on the path, you come to this incredible, it's an Iron Age wall at the top of the mountain, and it's just bizarre that there's all this rock formation that is on top of the mountain. I don't know how I got here, but apparently it dates back to the Iron Age. Okay, just reached the highest point. It's 479 meters. It's got this cool view, and I think you can go a little higher up this little tower. But oh, epic view, but it's a bit windy down here. That's the only thing. Go all the way around. If you go all the way around, 360 view. Oh. Okay, so that concludes our walk up Rocha De Pena, which was pretty epic if I don't say. And now we're gonna head to some ruins, or just go explore and see what we can find. Lovely spot for a spot of lunch. Found this little little path to park on and have a little break on our way to our next destination.
What are you eating, Kyle?
Avocado, pepper, falafel. No, I'm not eating avocado. That's not what I'm eating.
You've been caught. Salad. Just vegan salads.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all we eat. Some plant-based goodness. Welcome to my kitchen. My name's Jo, and I'll teach you how to make avocado on rice cakes.
So we just drove about an hour to come to this old monastery that's behind me, but it's a little closed if you couldn't tell already, so oh well, but it looks pretty cool. So couldn't find a monastery, but we have stumbled across this forest behind us, and it looks like it's recently been on fire because all the trees are black, like up to a certain height. So it's yeah, it looks quite interesting. Okay, so we keep walking up to the top, see if we can find something else, like maybe a viewpoint or a vantage point. But yeah, it's a bit of a steep old climb. So got to the top and it's just a road, so I think it's time to turn back round and head back down. So in this historical town in Portugal, and yeah, I think we're gonna leave it now because it's a bit crazy and you can't really park anywhere because the roads are really narrow. But yeah, see you on the west coast.